Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. This cloud cover around 1,000 to 1,200 feet is hanging tough this morning, but we'll see some decrease in the cloud cover for the afternoon hours, and we'll average out around mostly cloudy for today. We'll see our temperatures currently in the lower 60s, rising into the upper 60s for the afternoon hours, so fairly seasonable temperature-wise day today before we see a warm-up tomorrow. Looking at our conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing a fairly big range in temperatures for highs yesterday. Dover only at 59, while Norfolk was the whole way up to 80, just depending on where that boundary set up yesterday with the rainfall across the region. Those locations in the warm sector and the tidewater saw temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Here at Wallops, we were 69 degrees yesterday. Across region last night did see temperatures fairly uniform across the region, lower 50s to mid to upper 50s. Here at Wallops we were 53 degrees, Ocean City at 52, as well as Dover. Those were the cool spots. Precipitation across the region was plentiful and widespread. Saw Richmond at 1.45 inches of rainfall. That was most across the region. Pax River saw over an inch of rain. Here at Wallops we saw a little bit less rain than some other locations, as rainfall didn't come in quite as well here, only seeing 0.2 of an inch. As of 9 a.m. we are seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to cloudy skies across the region. Temperatures in the lower 60s to upper 50s. Here at Wallops we are 58 degrees under cloudy skies. As of 12Z, our sounding, we have a freezing level at 11,200 feet. Our winds out of the north-northeasterly component at 20 to 30 knots in the low levels, then seeing our winds become more northerly and then northwesterly as we move up in the column, and seeing our winds out of the westerly component at 59 knots at 25,000 feet. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure building in from the Ohio Valley that's going to allow us to see these clouds move out of the region as we move into the late afternoon into the evening hours today. We'll see some sunshine during that time period, and then the overnight time period we'll see mostly clear skies in general. We'll see a backdoor cold front start to approach on Wednesday, but for tomorrow this area of high pressure will move off the coast, giving us warmer conditions and temperatures in the 70s. Looking at our infrared satellite imagery from our GOES 16 satellite, you can see the lower level cloud cover across the Delmarva Peninsula this morning continuing to erode from north to south. We'll continue to see that have a road across the area for the remainder of the morning and the early afternoon hours, and then we'll see that less cloud cover across the region and sunshine return. Looking at our Monday midday planner, we'll see fairly nice conditions overall at the surface with the high pressure in control, just that lingering cloud cover. Looking for the afternoon into the evening hours, this is our Monday night planner, showing a possibility of a pop-up shower across the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. I do not believe it's going to reach into the Wallops region, but could see a sprinkle or a brief light rain shower in the Salisbury area for the late afternoon hours today as a weak piece of upper level energy moves through the region. In our Tuesday AM planner, we'll just see a little bit of cloud cover across the region, but overall we'll see mostly clear skies. And then for our Tuesday afternoon, we'll see that return flow or southerly flow around this area of high pressure that's moved off the coast, giving us temperatures in the 70s. And we'll see a backdoor cold front, you can see in here, approaching for our Wednesday morning into our Wednesday afternoon. And here's our Wednesday PM planner. That cold front will turn into a stationary boundary just south of the region. That'll allow for us to have northeasterly flow for the afternoon hours on Wednesday and cooler conditions during the afternoon as well. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board, no chance of precipitation, lightning, and winds will be well under 25 knots. Our ceilings will be rising through the afternoon hours, so no chance of ceilings below 500 feet. Our temperatures will be in the upper 60s for highs today, and with that we'll see a northeasterly wind about 7 to 12 knots for the afternoon hours. Our winds will become variable overnight tonight with a low of 55 degrees. Our current 24-hour terminal forecast, we have a overcast deck at 1,100 feet currently. We'll see those ceilings rise into VFR conditions for the afternoon or the late afternoon hours, and then by tomorrow morning, as I mentioned, we'll have mostly clear skies. Our tides are 1 to 2 feet above normal, and looking from Tuesday through Wednesday, Tuesday mostly sunny to partly cloudy and warmer, high of 75 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and mild, a low of 59 degrees. And for Wednesday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, a slightly breezy onshore flow, a very slight chance of an afternoon rain shower, a high of 71 degrees. And Wednesday will be a tricky high temperature forecast, sticking with 71 right now, but if that backdoor cold front comes through during the afternoon hours, or is a bit slower than the models are forecasting right now, could easily see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s for our Wednesday afternoon. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll 69 degrees today, 75 on Tuesday. Wednesday at 71 with the uncertainty with that high, as I mentioned before. And then Thursday into Friday, we'll see 2 additional chances of rainfall. One Thursday morning with a warm front moving through, and then Friday with a weak boundary starting to approach from the west. It looks like that boundary should allow for us to only see a slight chance of rainfall Friday afternoon, but models are kind of in disagreement of the chances of rainfall for our Friday afternoon right now. High of 77 degrees on Friday, and then Saturday looks like we'll have a weak area high pressure and build in from the north. That'll give us seasonable temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and then Sunday looks like another unsettled end of the weekend with temperatures in the upper 60s and rainfall across the region. So it looks like similar conditions we saw yesterday for our upcoming Sunday. That's going to complete our weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.